Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Avid Media Composer for professional post-production, full guide step by step clearly. Visit the official Avid website. In the top navigation menu, locate the Products section. Hover over this section to reveal a drop-down menu. Select Media Composer from the options provided. Click on this button to proceed. You will be directed to the subscription options. Avid offers different plans, including individual, team, and educational subscriptions. Review the details of each plan to determine which best suits your needs. After deciding, click on the Buy Now button for your chosen plan. You will need to create an Avid account if you do not already have one. Fill in the required information, including your name, email address, and password. Make sure to check your email for an authentication link. Follow the instructions in the email to verify your account. Return to the subscription page once your account is verified. Log in using your newly created credentials. Select your subscription type again and click Continue. You will be prompted to fill out your billing information. Enter your payment details, including your credit card number and billing address. Review your order to ensure all information is correct. Once confirmed, click on the Place Order button. After processing, you will receive a confirmation email regarding your subscription. Download the Avid Media Composer software from the link provided in the confirmation email. Install the software on your computer following the provided instructions. Launch Avid Media Composer and log in using your Avid account credentials. You are now ready to start your professional post-production work with Avid Media Composer. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.